What's going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a good morning miners update. Delicious coffee, delicious. Hope you're all having a fantastic day wherever you are. What is going on, guys? So today's morning miners update is going to be just pretty straightforward and basic. The farm is being torn down. Nim comes in later this evening and we will start tearing down his stuff and everything to get his stuff ready to be packaged up. We got one customer stuff already done and is now gone, and we got one more customer that is now wrapped up and taken care of and just waiting upon delivery. So FA to that, it's been a laboring process. So we'll be finishing that out here this week, as well as we'll probably have a live stream between me and Nim at the farm and kind of go over like maybe some things we learned, some things we wouldn't do again. Try to be as real and transparent as can be as I continue on now the search for a job. So I am currently on the hunt. I have a few interviews and I have a part-time job lined up already, so we will continue to see how that pans out. And yeah, am I mining right now? Not really. I have a few of my main PCs going, but none of my rigs are on. It's kind of the plan right now. A lot of my older generation cards I will most likely sell. My box miners, I'll probably get rid of those. I might keep one CK box, that way I can still accumulate some CKB. Yeah. As we look into, of course, we're gonna end up getting a Bitcoin ASIC for the house. That way I can get some BTC, because that is the way that I am probably gonna go here. Mainly because I can utilize low power mode, stay efficient, maybe more efficient during the day, and then at night I can let it rip because my power at nighttime is significantly less than during the day due to EV rates. So it's pretty helpful for me. But as it stands right now, a lot of my more inefficient miners and older GPUs and stuff like that will be taking a trip to the pasture. So we'll have more videos coming out on that coming up here soon. I just wanted to make sure I give y'all an update video. I'm trying to keep my content as consecutive as I can be, such with everything going on. And yeah, still here to show my adventure in the mining space and to continue to learn and grow myself personally, as well as the journey that we're on. So thank you all for sticking along for the ride, guys. I absolutely adore every one of you. You're all amazing in my book. Please make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when we go live and post videos here as things begin to switch up. So we will try to stay effective. We got tons of stuff to do now, especially in the well house, because my well house is full of miners that are not running at all. So we got to get cracking on taking care of that stuff. First, we're going to take care of the farm, get that stuff situated and taken care of, like dealt with and wrapped up, and then we will continue on with our mining adventure. It's been an FA journey so far. I kind of can't wait to see where it takes me from here. You know, trying to stay as optimistic as possible, because I know better things are always out there, and sometimes doors have to shut in our faces to continue on and for a better, prettier door to open. So FA to that, guys. I love every single one of y'all. Things are going to be changing here, and I appreciate everyone that's here for the ride. Much love. Peace out. Keep your hash rates up. Keep them watts down low. We'll see you on the next video, and we'll see you this week for a live stream from me and Nim at the farm. Much love and peace.